Thank you, you said.
Yeah, thank you for finishing.
Because I unloaded the car.
Because you unloaded the car.
You haven't seen inside the car yet. So it's a good idea to get the bark off before you come home. One is that you don't have to deal with it at home. But the other is it doesn't tend to make as much of a mess in the car. Thank you, you said.
Yeah, thank you for finishing.
Because I unloaded the car.
Because you unloaded the car.
You haven't seen inside the car yet. What was that?
Guess what you're doing when I get home?
No, I'm tired. I'm going to lie down now.
I don't care. You're cleaning out the car. You're sweeping it. You're tidying it. Yes, you are.
What?
The car seats.
What about the car seats? Unfortunately, I didn't get it on camera, but just after I stopped filming, Sarah started swearing that she was, that's it, you've got to get a work vehicle, that's it. And that would be cool, because I'd have a work vehicle, but also because it would sort of, you know, eliminate these sort of marital tensions, mostly. But she forgave me, and that's the main thing. In the next video, the frame starts to go up, and I hope you'll join me for that. But so you don't miss it, make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell notification. Catch you guys soon.